What it do, guys? Manjoume here, and today on Low Budget Cooking we're making Sierra Mist chicken. I got this recipe from the Virgin Kitchen YouTube channel, link in the description below. Now it's technically supposed to be Sprite, but I already had Sierra Mist, so that's what I'll use. No big deal if you swap it out for either. To make this you'll need half a can of Sierra Mist, Sprite, 7-Up, whatever you like. 1 lemon cut in 2, half of a lime, 5 tablespoons of butter melted, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and pepper, 1 medium chicken, washed and patted dry. First we'll set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to have enough room in the oven so the bird can stand upright. In a mixing bowl we'll combine the melted butter, sugar, paprika, salt, pepper, lime, and lemon juice. Clean up the chicken and pat it dry. Take the chicken and sit it on the half can of Sierra Mist on top of a lipped tray. It should slide on pretty easy. If you can, put the other half of the lemon on top of the bird within the next skin. Now we're ready for paint time. Using a pastry brush, we'll paint the butter mixture all over the bird. Let's stick the bird into the oven. After 20 minutes, we'll brush some more of the butter mixture, then turn it around. Then brush the backside of the bird. You'll want to repeat this process of painting and turning for about 20-minute intervals until you're around 80 to 100 minutes or until golden brown and charred. You can cut into it or use a thermometer to check and see if it's fully cooked. Eventually you get some juices pooling in the tray and you can use that to then baste the bird as well during the times between baking. Once out of the oven, you'll want to give the bird about another 20 minutes to rest. This will let the juices settle and the temperature to be more manageable to allow you to take the can out. It will be harder this time since meat tends to shrink as you cook it. Right out the oven it tastes good, but I didn't really get a sense of the lemon liminess. Juicy chicken is always a good thing, and really tender at that. It wasn't until about a day or so later where I had leftovers and was surprised by the lemon lime taste that I hadn't noticed when it was fresh. With this in mind, I think next time I'll paint the bird and have it marinate overnight, and probably put some of the butter mixture under the skin as well as over. Well guys, that's it for Sierra Mist chicken. If you want to see more recipes like this one, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and consider joining. That's all for now guys. Manjoume out.